Hey guys, welcome to our last full week of e-learning before summer sets in. Hopefully you've had a chance to rest and get a little relaxation in and enjoy the weather. And again, before we get going today, just want to remind you to make sure that you keep up on all the assignments. Deadlines are coming up, most of them due by the end of this coming week. So please make sure that you get those in and get those done, so that you're not falling behind before the deadlines catch in. Okay. This week, finishing up electricity, and today I want to kind of talk you through a little bit about what a Gfci outlet is and what it does, and I'll get to your assignment here in a second. So let's talk about it, okay? Gfci outlet. This is what it looks like, okay? You can get these at most hardware stores, Menards, Walmart, Home Depot, so on and so forth. What makes these different from the ones that we looked at last time when I talked about how to replace the receptacle is that these are the ones, okay, if you look at them, these are the ones that have the buttons, okay, on the actual outlet, and you can hear it, okay, click in and click out, and what it is there's a mini circuit breaker inside the outlet. You can see how much thicker it is, okay, and it's designed to basically stop the flow of electricity if it detects a short. Okay, so let's think about this. Okay, why would we have an outlet this big, okay, with a circuit breaker in it? Okay, what possible applications would we have? And if we notice, okay, if you look especially around schools, outside, places like that, you see these, okay, and it's because of the safety feature, this whole idea of the circuit being able to be stopped right here on the outlet. Okay, so before we get into it, let's look at it. Okay, still have one gold screw. Okay, this is where the hot wire, the black wire goes. Still have silver screw. This is where the white wire, the neutral wire goes. Okay, but we don't have a ground. Okay, and that's because the ground is built into this circuit breaker. Okay, so it takes away the need for the ground wire because there's a device in here that would stop the power moving on to the breaker panel, the other outlets down the line, whatever the case may be, because it can stop right here. Okay, if you're doing a home and you're putting new outlets in and you make this the first outlet in a series of outlets, so if you start from your breaker and go to this first and then around the room, this would also cut off current to all the other outlets around the room if this gets tripped. Okay, so again, let's talk through why that is. Okay, why would we have a need for this to be used? Okay, mainly for safety. Okay, but it's designed to be used in places where there's going to be a lot of moisture, because when water gets into the outlet receptacle itself, shorts the thing out and causes not only the short, but it could be a potential fire hazard. Okay, so anywhere where water is going to be, smart to have these. And actually by code, these are required in 2 rooms in your home. Okay, one is the kitchen and the other is any bathroom. Okay, and sometimes laundry rooms, depending on how they're set up. Okay, but it's required. Code says you have to have a Gfci outlet in a kitchen and a bathroom because of the moisture. Okay, so the idea is that as you're taking the shower, steam builds up. If that water gets into the outlet and causes a problem, this thing trips. Okay, it trips on, pops, power is gone. Okay, no more electricity flowing to this outlet receptacle or any other ones on that line. You can test them. This one obviously doesn't have power right now, but you can test them yourselves. Okay, you push it and the red light comes on. That means it's been tripped and there's no power getting to the receptacle, even though there's power coming to it. It's not going anywhere else because that little circuit breaker inside has been defaulted. Okay, so the tasks that I have for you today, okay, are dealing with what this is, this Gfci outlet. Okay, I'm going to give you a task to find a picture of one that's used in your home. So take a picture of the outlet itself, tell me what room it's in, and then I'm going to have some questions for you on what this is in particular and why they're important. And it's got to do, again, with, like I said, with the moisture and the safety and the things like that. Okay. Your other task is, aside from that assignment, I have a short, like 5-question quiz over this real quick. So those two things together is what I'm asking you to do for today. GFCI assignment and GFCI quiz. It shouldn't take too long, but I do want you to spend some time diving into this. Okay, this is one that you're going to see a lot of, and my advice to you as you're replacing these is, or as you're replacing receptacles around your house, is especially in kitchens and bathrooms, make the investment, put these in, have the safety there. Okay, cost-wise, it's a little bit more expensive. Okay, so one like this at Menards, I think, is $19-20. Okay, a standard receptacle, the ones that you saw in the video before, there's a regular outlet, it's like 88 cents. Okay, so these are quite a bit more expensive, but the safety of having that circuit built in, the interrupter there, it could save you running a risk of having an electrical fire or a short or a shock down the road, especially in those two rooms and outside. Any electrical outlet outside, you'll notice, has one of these on it because rain flow and things like that get in it. Okay, so do take your time. Again, if you have questions, please ask. Make sure that you're reaching out. Very short time left in the school year, so please use that time wisely. Get your things done, and if I can help you in any way, please reach out and let me know. Okay, miss you guys. Hope you're doing well, and I will talk to you soon. Thanks.